Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads for lead generation. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your customer base or a digital marketer aiming to refine your skills, understanding how to effectively utilize Google Ads can significantly boost your lead generation efforts. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This platform allows businesses to advertise their products and services on Google's extensive advertising network. To get started, head over to the Google Ads website. This is your gateway to reaching millions of potential customers worldwide. Once you're on the website, your next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to a sign-in screen prompting you to enter your account details. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Google makes it easy to get started with a new one. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads home, where you can manage your campaigns, view performance data, and make adjustments as necessary. From here, you'll want to click on Campaign. This option is typically located in the left-hand menu. It's important to understand that a campaign is essentially a collection of ad groups that share a budget, location, targeting, and other settings. After you've clicked on Campaign, go ahead and hit Create. It's time to set up your new campaign tailored to generating leads. Google Ads offers various campaign types, so you'll want to select the one that aligns with your objectives. For lead generation purposes, click on Leads. This ensures that your campaign goals are optimized for attracting potential customers who are likely to submit their information or express interest in your offerings. Next, you'll click on Continue to proceed with setting up the specifics of your campaign. At this point, you'll start configuring elements such as your audience targeting, ad formats, budget preferences, and more. Pay particular attention to these settings, as they will determine who sees your ads and how much you're spending to reach these potential leads. A critical tip here is to regularly monitor your campaign's performance. This allows you to make necessary tweaks to maintain or improve your lead generation results. Consider using the data available on the Google Ads platform to refine your targeting, adjust your budget, or experiment with different ad creatives. Remember, even small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your results. And that's it for lead generation in 2025. The key to a successful lead generation campaign is constant testing and optimization, so make sure to revisit and refine your strategies regularly. Thanks for tuning in today, and best of luck with your Google Ads endeavors. Happy Google ad making.